Remove 230 volt connection. Remove all the connection points from the SMPS. Now unscrew all the screws and remove the SMPS as well. Remove the SMPS. Take the new power module recently supplied. Fix it with using all the 4 screws in place of the SMPS. Now the new power module has been fixed. You can see it has got 2 open ends, and there is a new connection diagram supplied. So if we look at the connection diagram, 33, 34 are 24 volt and 35 is ground. This is the incomer connection, and from here we will be giving connection to PCB. So first we will put a short link between 33 and 34. This is the short link. Assemble करना होता है ना, short link assemble करेंगे. Okay. This is the short link. Cross check the connection number, it should be at 33 and 34 as per the diagram. So we have put a short link over here. Short link over here. This is at 33 and 34. So if we look at the connection diagram, it is referring to this point. Yes. Now we will be connecting the power module to the rail connection. Ground connected to 35. And 24 connected to 34. So you can verify with the, so we have connected ground to 35 and 24 to 34. Now we will be connecting the PCB power supply. So we will be taking the 24 volt connection first, the orange wire. You can just cross verify plus 24 and the orange wire. This, as per the diagram, that should be connected to 33. So we have connected the orange wire at 33, and in the diagram you can see 33 is the 24 volt connection. Now there are two more open ends, black and red. Black has to be connected to ground. We will connect this on the power module. 1, 2. The second pin is ground. Plus 5 volt to first connector of power module. Yes. This is plus 5. Okay. So we will just cross verify the connection. 33, 34 should be shorted with the link. Focus. And same 24 goes to the power module from 33, and output of the module is connected to 5N ground, and this 24 volt is again connected at 33. Now, having done the connection, so the older connection is displayed over here. We will have to replace it with the new one. This is change in power supply. This should be stuck over here. Now, after having done the connection, the incoming power supply is to be connected at 34 and 35. The incomer will come at 34 and 35. This is the field power connection.